what is the cracking or the popping sound? That's something I often get asked, especially when we're doing adjustments of the spine, what that noise is, because sometimes it can be kind of scary. It can sound like a bone breaking or something. It's not happening like that. So what that is, it's called a cavitation. And when that happens is when the joint capsule gets stretched far enough, the fluid that's inside there has gas. And so when the pressure changes as we're distracting the joint, all that gas is going to suck into the lowest pressure area, and it's going to create a snapping noise as all that gas goes together. So when we're looking at the spine, it doesn't move this much when we're adjusting it, but if you look at that joint right there, it could just be a little bit of that. It's not much. It'll go snap, just because there's a change in the pressure, and that's what the sound is.